Okay? Ang sabihin mo, galingan mo pa in 2008. Our theme for 2008 is Dominate in 2008. So, with all the changes that we are planning, all the changes that we have made, it is all for you. The markets are open for you. It is up to you. Kayo ang gagawa niyan. This year, we have paid out 500 million in rebates. That's more than 1 million per day. That's like 1.5 million per day. No? Sino ba sa inyo ang gustong lumaki yung cheque in 2008? Okay. Lahat. Sino yung kontento na? Okay na? Wala. Okay, I'll tell you a little something about the market. The Philippine pharmaceutical industry is a 100 billion peso market. Fern sales is only 1% of the market. The membership of Fern is only 400,000 by end of the year. The Philippine population is 88 million. Nakita nyo na ba? Masyado pang malaki ang ilalaki ng network nyo. Masyado pang malaki ang ilalaki ng income ninyo. All of this is possible if you will follow the Fern principles. Duplication, number one. In order to multiply, you have to duplicate. And for that, we have laid down a training program in 2008 that will rival the training program of any other networking company. We have a big team assembled to go all over the Philippines to help train all of the leaders, all of the downlines, all of the new recruits. Only in this way can we really grow. We are investing heavily on training and new technology. All of this para sa inyo. Marami nang nagbago sa Fern. A lot of people here I see, nakita nyo nung nag-umpisa ang Fern, it was only one ground floor unit. One ground floor unit. Right now, we have 3 ground floor units. Of course, dalawa sa Gold Loop. Yung bago natin, the latest, which we're going to call the Fern Entrepreneurship Center. It is in Shaw Boulevard. That new area is dedicated solely for training. Then we have the executive offices and the IT office on the 14th and 17th floor. Yung research team ni Doctora is on the 7th floor. So we are constantly expanding. From 6 people, we are now 120 people in Fern. 120 employees in service of the members of Fern. When Fern Incorporated was established, the first thing we did was the vision. In the 3 years, the vision has never changed. Maraming nagbago, maraming improvements, but one thing ang hindi magbabago is yung vision namin na umunlad kayo, our vision to bring prosperity to each and every one of your homes. This is a progressive company, an ever-changing company, a different company. But one thing remains the same, our vision, our love, our care, and our hopes for the Filipino people. Thank you very much. Fern, siga na ba?